You like scam videos, I like scam videos, and the freelance world, well, it's filled with them. The other day I got a message on Instagram saying they had a job for me and that was super simple. All I needed to have was a computer or a phone and I would be able to do it. And if I was interested, I should contact them on WhatsApp. Can you smell a red flag? I actually asked her if she had Telegram because I wasn't about to expose my phone number to a random stranger who I knew he was a scammer. So this is what happened. I start by messaging this person, right? And I get the typical copy and paste long blurb about the job and the company and everything like that. And obviously it asks for my name and my country. So I did give them my name and country because those are more public knowledge. And so I replied to them and they replied with some more copy and paste bullshit. So I decided to ask what she needs me to do. And she asks me how good I am with data entry. Sure, make it look like a regular job, if you will. She then tells me that I need to take the text in an image and type it into a Word document and export as a PDF with some more requirements. This would be done for 30 pages at $50 a page, plus a $200 bonus if I'm quick. Sweet, easy cash. She then asks me how I want to get paid. I told her I only have PayPal, and she proceeds to send me those images. So that means it's time to put my hands to work. And here's how I did it to save some time. Okay, so I wanted to show you how I've been doing this very quickly so it doesn't waste too much time. So I downloaded the photos from Telegram and now I'm using Mac's amazing feature of just copy and pasting text from an image and I'm pasting it here. I'm just doing the bare minimum. I'm deleting the numbers for the pages. So I delivered this to her the following day, hoping for that sweet $200 bonus, and she says it's incomplete. Damn you, choosing beggars. But then I clarified I did it all as she asked, and she was actually impressed with my work, and she said it was approved by the company. All that's left to do now is getting paid, right? So I sent her my PayPal email, and she actually paid me. I even got a payment slip. I mean, this looks legit, right? But the following morning, I checked back and nothing. So they direct me to email someone else. So I did, and what I heard back was this amazing thing. Let's highlight some problem areas, shall we? So first of all, they say, dear employee, not even my name. The grammar, it's just, well, alongside all refundable fees when I haven't paid any, but I know some scams do have refundable fees. Finally, that's like the keyword for scam, calling me by sir. Plus, they request to see my ID. No thank you. And for me to pay $200 in order to get paid. Guess there were some refundable fees after all. So what did I do? Well, I played the poor card and I went back to dear Elizabeth and she just played dumb, but she actually offered to help. Very sweet of her. But maybe I was too soon to judge because she later proceeds to ask me for the $200. So I kept playing the poor card and she has the audacity to say, well, can't you just arrange the money? Lady, that's what I'm doing. That's why I needed this job. Though she did offer to help with the fees, so I guess she's nice after all. I'm still undecided. But I told her I only had $50 and she could only pitch in with $100. So we were missing another $50. And I guess she really is nice because she showed me how she actually had already paid the $100 from her part to the company. Thank you, Elizabeth. But I still had to find $50. And it took me a couple days, but I finally got her money. I was just not sure where I should send it to. So she asked me to do a bank transfer, and I was like, sure, just send me the details. And then shit. All they have is Wise, Payera, and Revolut. I told her I have none of that, so am I screwed here? Oh no. Turns out you can actually pay via iTunes or Amazon gift cards as well. Very resourceful. Bitch, you said bank transfer. I was ready to do a bank transfer. Why are you suddenly changing your mind about this? By the way, I always push for a bank transfer just because I already have the template and it's the easiest one to fake. So just so you know, I wasn't about to do an actual bank transfer. But now comes the fun part. She finally agreed to do bank transfer and she asks me, as always, to stay online so she can give me the bank details. This happens very often where they want you to be online so the transfer can be done super quickly, because these bank accounts probably get flagged and shut down very quickly for fraudulent whatever. And they also don't want you to have time to do any digging. So you gotta go fast. But then she called me in that rush and I actually didn't get to pick up. So I asked her to call me back. Had to insist a bit because she wasn't wanting to call me back. So much so that she had to send me a new account because the 10 minutes had already passed. But then finally I got her to call me and this is what happened. Hello?
Hello?
I'm trying to make the payment, but I have some questions.
Okay. More use.
Okay, what's the name again of the person?
It's a generated account.
What do you mean by that?
It's an account I come now to generate for your region. So it's easily for you to make an easy payment.
Okay, and where is your company located again?
We're located at India and Switzerland.
Oh, nice. I'm just trying to confirm it's not a scam because I follow this girl online and she talks a lot about online scams and I'm just scared I'll fall for it, you know? I just don't know. Like, it sounds very similar to this video that I saw, so...
Okay, you just have to trust me on that.
Okay, but how if I don't know you? As you can see, as soon as I mentioned the word scams, they hang up. Eventually got them to call me back, and this time I pushed a little bit harder.
Yeah, what were you saying again?
I think you're trying to scam me.
No, I'm not.
How?
I have proof here. This is not a scam. Trust me on that.
Okay. What's the proof? Like, how can I know you're not a scam?
You can shout.
What?
I'll show you.
Okay, then show me.
I'll shout now. I'm really busy with others right now.
Okay, but you have to prove to me that you're not a scam.
Can we shout now because I'm busy with others right now?
I'd rather talk on the phone. I mean, I need to trust you if I'm going to send you that money.
Not right now.
Okay, then I can do it. I can send it to you because I think you're scamming me. Hello? I know you're still there. Why are you scamming me? But of course, they denied everything and they hung up on me again, so I guess it's back to messages. And as you can see, they were very convincing. So I transferred them the money. They seemed suspicious though, and they weren't buying my clearly legit payment confirmation. So I offered I can just call my bank. And so I did. I called my bank and I let the scammer know that the bank had flagged the transfer because the account was deemed suspicious. Wonder why. And that was the end of this scammer journey. I guess I scared him off. So this is all you get. If you like content like this and you want to see more of it, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe down below so you see more of it. I have much more to come, so stay tuned for that. And one last thing, make sure to share this video to social media so more people can be aware of it and hopefully none of us fall for it in the future.